Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. It is Saturday the 14th. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We have a special Amazon Prime unboxing. We're going to check the amount. Link is going to be down below. This is coming for Moza, I do believe. But, here we go. Let's see what they have to offer. Prime Day is coming up on Monday. It starts at like 3 p.m. Oh, sweet. This is from a good friend Elegant Giant. This is the 4 external antennas, 300 Mbps, Wi-Fi single expander. It'll make your Wi-Fi go further throughout your house, your office, condo, all that good stuff, your home. I'm probably gonna put this one downstairs once I get it set up and everything. Definitely check them out, YouTubers. They got other good stuff also on their website, so take a minute of your time and just browse around. You never know, some of this stuff might be on their Amazon Prime specials, I'm not sure, but and if there's any discount codes or anything like that, it'll be down below. Oh, this is nice looking. You got the 4 antennas. 1, 2, 3, 4. So definitely. Oh, got the LAN, Ethernet side. The WAPs. Nice. Let's see if I can get it lit up. And it comes also with the manual. And then another setup guide. Mini manual. Should come with, yep, here's the Ethernet. You're going to need to plug it into your Wi-Fi router. Or most cable boxes now come built in. So just plug it in the back. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna try it actually, because I just upgraded my internet service. I got the 500 gig. I think it's pretty simple. Alright, I'm gonna put you guys on pause. Hold on one sec. Alrighty, here it is. The ELEGIANT mini router. It's all hooked up. Got it disconnected and got it running. Really cool. Comes with this manual, shows everything. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. And the link is going to be down below. So you guys have a good day. I think I have a couple more videos coming up. Till then, be safe and see you soon. See ya.